Good morning, everybody! We thought it would be fun to show you our van life morning routine while we're traveling. So the word routine maybe doesn't fit in there so much, but there are things that we do every single morning, like Buddy forcing me out of bed so he can have it all to himself, like me having to clean up all the dishes from last night, that sort of thing.
Cry me a river, would you?
Yeah, buddy. World's smallest violin. You ready for a great day? Coach asked, are you ready for a great day?
Yeah, dude.
You ready for a good day?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's go. Let's go, buddy. Let's go, buddy. We had this really cool plan that the four of us were all gonna get up. I need it like this. For sunrise this morning. And take some photos because we're at a beautiful spot, which you probably saw yesterday in Christian and Aubrey's vlog. But that did not happen. The sun is clearly shining and we're just getting up now. I think part of the reason that Buddy makes me get up so much earlier is he doesn't really wash his face or brush his teeth. So I take longer in the morning to get ready.
But I brush my teeth every morning. I never wash my face.
Yeah, you know. Gotta moisturize. Do I look ready to go? I wouldn't be able to tell you because I don't have my glasses or my contacts in, so hang in just 1 second longer. Smoothies and 12Bs. People often ask us what supplements we take as vegans, and we don't take anything but 12Bs.
And if people are watching this going like, whoa, vegans need to take 12Bs, do a little research on what 12Bs are and where it comes from. And then you'll be like, true, I'll take a supplement. So we're gonna cook up a little brecco. And unfortunately we tried to upload with our little mobile hotspot last night, but no tango. So we gotta go back into Oaxaca City, which is not the end of the world because we're gonna go back to that Avo Toast place, which was amazing.
We need a rag for washing the dishes.
What do you guys use for washing dishes? You use sponge? My mom's a big believer in the J-Cloths.
My mom's a big believer. We both grew up on J-Cloths, didn't we?
Grew up J-Cloth life.
J-Cloth life. Now we're trying to be like reusable friendly and use like rags, but they become so dank. They smell so bad. We've just got one right now, literally tied up in a plastic bag, like hanging off to the side because it smells so bad. We don't even want it with our laundry.
You know, I didn't choose the J-Cloth life. The J-Cloth life really chose me.
Filtration system on lock.
It's clutch AF. Go, 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 go. Now dropping to a 10. This is an everyday struggle too. My mom bought me this fancy barbecue lighter. It's refillable, but sucks the big one. You like your water bubbly?
Like I like my boys bubbly.
Bombs away. Bombs away. Bombs away. Bombs away. I'll get it.
Yeah.
Okay, bueno.
If you guys don't know, we host a bunch in here, so with the four of us, we're normally in our van, but that comes with like a lot of grime and dirt.
Especially with Christian Matney involved.
Like, whose pink fork is this? What is it doing on my floor?
Christian Matney's.
Christian Matney.
Oh, talk about a little bit of overexposure in the morning. Guys, check this out. Check this out. Pretty amazing, huh? Wow. Beautiful day to be alive.
What up?
What up, guys?
Smoothies this morning. It's just going to be our classic smoothie. We normally use almond milk, but Christian's allergic to almonds, so we've got like a soy coconut milk. Is it soy or coconut? Peanut butter, a little bit of oat, maybe some matcha. We use Vega protein, but we're not completely sold on it, so I don't know if I'd recommend it. Blend this buddy up. So it's about 8:30 here. Our crew normally gets up between like 8 and 8:30. Aubrey is like one of those morning owl type people who gets up right at the crack of 7:30 every day. The rest of us, we could sleep, so she's normally giving us a little knock on the door to wake us up, which is great. Then we get the day started. It's perfect. This morning we're drinking our black tea blend of chai. So we get a little bit of caffeine from that too, which is great. Plus like the ginger and everything just feels so healing, and even though we're cooking for ourselves and stuff, your body still, I feel like when you're traveling, isn't in the exact routine that it would be in when you're at home, and you know, just everything's normal. We're buying different products to use and things like that. So I love that my tea at least makes me feel like I'm at home and is really like soothing and all that kind of good stuff. We can find Eamon and give him his smoothie. Buddy! Just enjoying a tea and a smoothie. That's my kind of double fisted. Yesterday we came to the waterfall with Minimal Millennials, and we were just having such a good day and wanted to do the hike for sundown. So we just asked if we could park here overnight, and they said it'd be 40 pesos per person, which is actually the first time we've paid for any kind of camping in Mexico so far. But we felt like it was worth it. It's like a really, really beautiful scenery and kind of nice to know that you're secure.
How much is 40 pesos?
40 pesos is like $2 per person, so $4 for both of us.
I think it was worth it.
We're just running to the toilet, y'all. And then we'll be good to...
Are you guys gonna stay here for a sec?
We're just making the bed.
I'm just gonna leave the door open.
Yeah, let's go.
I don't know why we did the V last night, actually.
Because Christian had his little table and chair set out in the middle.
Oh, yeah.
Usually in the morning it's a lot more of a mission to find the baños, but because we stayed at this campsite, we know exactly where it is.
Oh shoot, are we gonna have to pay though to use it?
No, we paid for last night.
Are you okay, buddy? What's happening? Like a ceremony or something? ¿Cuánto?
More.
¿Cuánto?
Perfecto. This is the situation. Notice there's no seat, so it's a squatter. Bueno?
If I was feeling lazy, I'd probably just leave them in the sink, to be honest. But I just caught wind of my hair in that mirror at the bathroom. And I'm thinking maybe it needs a bit of a wash.
It's definitely not gonna be warm.
That's cool! This one.
How much you put in?
Like that much.
Is that relaxing or what? I don't think so.
Yeah?
No, I think we're good.
No, I can't. Give me that pink stuff. This part. Just leave that for a minute.
Really?
Yep.
How much water do we have left?
You can set up the drone or whatever.
So that's kind of what our morning routine looks like. Before we sign it off, I'm gonna leave you with this. Help signing off the vlog here.
We really hope you guys enjoyed our van life while traveling morning routine. As you can see, we've got ourselves some new toys for the van, and Christian is having a ball. If you did like the video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up.
Bro, we're gonna get demonetized. Stop playing that track.
Ask them just to help us sign up the vlog.
Do you have anything else to add to the vlog, guys?
What's that?
We're signing off the vlog. Do you have anything you want to say?
Yeah, I've got something I want to say. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Mamo?